Good morning everyone, myself Shine Kaushal and this presentation is on our project eSmart Service. eSmart Service is a service provided to the user in many ways. It will provide the user the facility to book the service of their interest, may it be a tutor, caretaker, house help, etc. We provide them the service with the help of our web application. Here are some of the output of our project. This is the homepage of our application eSmart Service, where a user can go through the detail of our application. First, the user has to log into the application whether he or she is a customer or a service provider with the username and the password given below, and then the user can log in to the page. As the user log into the page, he will get a sign up page. He has to register in this page as a service provider or as a customer, with the username which he gives in the login. During the login, the password which he has to create according to the given rule. Password again for the confirmation, the first name, last name and the email address. Then he has to register. As he register as a customer, the profile page of a customer is created with the username given in the login time, first name, last name, email and the contact of the customer is created. Later, the customer may look or search for the services they require, and of their interest and the requirement they can view the profile of the service provider by clicking the view the detail button. Later he can, after seeing the details of the service provider, he can book the service provider with the button book. After clicking the book button, the service provider is booked. Then the request is sent to the admin. After this, the customer can view the booking button. After the service provider he has booked, he can view by clicking the My Service Booking button, where he can view the booking he has made, and later he can pay the bill if required, if he wish. The bill payment process contain the booking ID which is provided, service provider name, then the charges that is given to the service, the total number of days taken, the total amount, and the customer has to pay the bill. The bill payment process can be through the bank or directly to the cash. After completion of the payment of the bill, the customer will be provided with the feedback section, where the customer has to give the feedback about the service provider which the provider has given, and has to submit the feedback. So as of a service provider, the same login pin, after the login, the same sign up page will appear, where the service provider has to click this button to sign up as a service provider with the username as given in the login page, the password, first name, last name and the email address has to be given and registered. After which the service provider profile is created with the username, first name, last name, email and the contact. The user has to provide, the service provider has to fill. So the service provider has to fill the form where he has to fill the type of the service he or she can provide and add it to their profile. They can add the service which they can provide which service provider, contact email, and the type of the service, experience about the experience which he has, and the specialization in which. And the photo and the address has to be given and submitted and add in their profile. So now now the admin according to the availability of the service provider, the admin will approve the request of the customer which the customer has sent. The approval the approval thing is done by the admin by clicking the after he viewed the detail of the booking, he will approve whether the service provider is available or not. He will approve. So uh, after the admin verify the customer will get a notification of the verification that admin has done. This is how the admin approve by seeing the username, the type of service he requires, from which date he need, and to date where it is not necessary to provide a to date, the name of the service provider and the charges. After seeing all this, the admin approves whether the service provider can be given or not. This is the page which the customer can view after the admin verify the request. So the advantage of this is the user or the people can get a service which they need in a time where he can simply go through the page and book the service which he requires. And the disadvantages are any fraudulent can come and book through the service. Here, this is the conclusion of our project. The application fulfills the need of the people who are facing various types of problems like caretaker or elders due to the employment of the husband and the wife, caretakers for the children's transfer service, tutor, etc. Customers are provided with the features to search for the required service and verifying the details to book a service, and can be able to pay the bill after with the satisfaction of the service. The service provider are provided with the features to add the service which they are providing through the online or the offline. This is what our project is about, providing the service to the people who need the service of the caretaker or a tutor or a helper with this web application. Thank you.